Silver Lining. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Longtime reggae singer Freddie McGregor officially recognized for his musical achievements. The Big Ship Boss awarded a Silver Musgrave Medal by the Institute of Jamaica.
Your love's got a hold on me.
Push come to shove, Big Ship, prophecy. Freddie McGregor's place in the reggae galaxy assured. But the singer also a roots ambassador, cultural spokesman, and still a contender. True to My Roots, his most recent album, well received. Official recognition of a momentous career spanning 5 decades, coming Thursday with the presentation of a Silver Musgrave Medal. Family, friends and fans sharing in the moment. McGregor with an Order of Distinction already in the bag, but no dimming the glow from this one.
Can words express this one? I'm not sure, but I'm feeling great today. It's one of the best times of my life, one of the best days of my career. I always say to be honored outside of Jamaica is nice and it's fine, but to be honored in this country is very special to me. And so this award holds a very special place in my heart, and I have a very special place in my house that this one is going to go as well.
When you see me once.
The Big Ship captain turning the spotlight on the culture that nurtured him and his music, whilst also voicing concern about the current preoccupation with what he calls the hype.
The hype doesn't work, because we see that happen all the time. It comes and it fades. I'm gone 54 years and going stronger, and it's because of what we do and how well we do what we do. The world out there is wide open, and they love Jamaica and they're ready for Jamaica and its music and culture. All we have to do is go out there and become true ambassadors for what we do, culturally and otherwise. Just make people know, say, Jamaica has the best to offer.
Your sweet love, girl.
I think the younger generation is caught up in the hype, but such is the times that we're in terms of the commercialization, the sponsors, etc., and what they want for the generation. But we must never forget where we're coming from, and we should never forget the root of our music and culture in this country. It is very important. We don't need to take on the American culture, because we are Jamaicans.
I was born a